Internet. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own Minecraft characters. So here we have a joint skin of Pat and Jen, George, Sapnap, and Dream. So you can make your own skin or your favorite Minecraft YouTuber skin. And this is what I'm going to be showing you. It's really easy. So let's get right into the video.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So here you can make your own skin or whoever you want. And here I have downloaded a skin of Pat and Jen joined together. I could show you how you could make your own and how to get the template, and the link is in the description, and you can click here and I'm going to show you right now. Also, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get an exciting and distracting notification from me. While you're there, make sure to hit the like button to see more videos in the future. And let's get on to the video. Now we just score the pieces. You score on all the fold lines or the dotted lines. And now I have scored all of the pieces on all the fold lines. So you might not see, but there are dents where I can feel them. So now we're just going to cut on all the outline. You could use an X-acto knife with a ruler and the cutting mat, or you could use scissors. And do that for all the pieces. So now I have cut all of them and I put them into parts: the head, the torso, the arms, the legs, After cutting all of them, we fold them. The folding part should be easy because we have already scored them. So when you glue them, it should look like this. So do that on all the pieces. For the gray tabs, you fold them outwards like this so that we can glue them onto the torso afterwards, like this. Now after folding all of the pieces, we glue them. Here I took a piece of paper from the leftover of the template. Now I just put some glue here.
Ten seconds later.
And get some toothpicks so that I could spread them easily. So now we want to do the head first. After gluing the head, glue the torso but don't glue the top part yet. Now glue the arms but let the gray flap outside. Now after gluing the hands, the arms, we glue the legs just like how we did to the head. Put some glue over here. On the top of the legs. And glue it to the torso after putting glue. And hold them until they dry. After they dried up, we apply glue to these gray tabs and stick them to this tab on the top of the torso. And we just press on like this until it dries. And do the same for the other arm. After gluing the arms to the torso, we can now finally close the torso. And there you go, we have the body, and now we just need to glue the head. Now we just apply to this part some glue. Now we stick the head. We just align it to the torso and make sure it's in the middle. And after gluing the head, we are now done on your own Minecraft papercraft character that you could do at home with just some paper, scissors, and glue and a printer. So there you go, and I hope you have a lot of fun, and see me guys on the next video.